Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Paw Print Kit is probably one of the most heartwarming and lasting ways to capture a piece of your beloved feline friend's essence, allowing you to create a tangible keepsake that celebrates the unique bond you share and preserves a precious memory of their time with you, ensuring their adorable little paws leave an indelible mark on your heart forever. Number 5. Pearhead Pet Pawprints Wall Picture Frame and Clay Impression Kit. Showcase your pet's unique paw print alongside a favorite 4x6 photo in this stylish, distressed white wooden frame. It's the perfect tribute to your beloved furry friend. Easily capture your pet's paw impression with our simple-to-use, no-bake clay kit. It's designed for pets of all sizes, ensuring every pet owner can create a lasting memory. This lovely frame is more than just a gift, it's a touching memorial for cat or dog lovers. It's a way for any pet owner to keep their cherished pet's memory alive, symbolizing the love and joy they brought into their lives. Equipped with a high-quality glass cover and an acid-free mat, it can be mounted on the wall or used on a desk, making it a versatile addition to any room. Create a Pawprint keepsake safely with our pet-friendly materials. The kit includes ample clay for multiple uses, and the frame is perfectly sized for display. What we like? This option comes with a charming distressed white frame, perfect for adding a touch of rustic elegance to your home decor. It also includes space for a 4x6 photo, allowing you to pair your pet's paw print with a favorite memory. If you like a classic, homey aesthetic and want to display both a photo and a paw print together, this is a great choice. What people say. It was easy to do and looks professional. The instructions were easy to follow and I still have this in my office so I can look at it daily. The clay was soft and pliable, making it simple to press his paw into it without any mess or fuss. The detailed impression captured every line and curve and the frame is beautifully made, with a timeless wooden design that looks lovely on my mantle. Number 4. Casting Keepsakes Baby Handprint Ornament Kit. Create a timeless keepsake with this easy-to-use kit. Preserve your baby's handprint or footprint forever. This all-in-one set includes everything you need to make a beautiful ornament. The soft clay is perfect for capturing delicate prints. Craft with confidence knowing that all materials are safe and non-toxic for your little one. It's a wonderful activity for the whole family. Once the print is made, you can personalize it further with the included vibrant paint set. Add a splash of color to your creation. This ornament makes a thoughtful and unique gift for new parents or grandparents. It's a present that will be treasured for years to come. Designed with little ones in mind, this kit provides a fun and engaging way to create a lasting memento. It's simple enough for kids to participate. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for creating handprint ornaments, making it a fun activity for children. It even includes a paint set for decorating the finished piece. If you are looking for a creative craft project to do with your kids and want to capture their handprints as a keepsake, this is the perfect option. What people say. I was really nervous to try this because I always struggle to get paint handprints from my little ones, but this kit was very easy. I am also thrilled that I got my 9-month-old's hand and foot from only half the kit, so I was able to do my 3-year-old's hand with the other half. The kit was so easy to use, the clay was moist and workable, and the additional decorative elements included are great. Number 3. Better World Pets Paw Print Keepsake Frame. Our pets bring so much joy and love into our lives. This keepsake frame is a beautiful way to keep their memory alive forever. Capture a lasting memory of your beloved canine or feline companion. The clay preserves your remembrance for years to come. Our non-toxic clay is completely pet-safe and dries to a smooth finish without any mixing or baking. It's simple and mess-free. This kit has everything required to create and display a perfect paw print. All you need is your pet's paw. The quality wooden frame with metal hinges offers a classic look. Display it on a desk, tabletop, or even hang it on the wall. Along with the molded paw print, you can display a cherished 4x6 photo. Use the included mat for a 5x7 photo. What we like? This kit features a beautiful double-hinged wooden frame that can accommodate either a 4x6 or 5x7 photo, offering flexibility in how you display your pet's memory. It's designed for desktop or wall mounting, providing versatile display options. If you appreciate a classic look and want the option to use a slightly larger photo, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The kit is easy to use and creates a clear, detailed impression of your pet's paw. The clay is soft and pliable, making it simple to mold and shape without cracking. The finished impression is a beautiful keepsake that you can display or gift. Number 2. Ultimate Paw Print Keepsake Kit. Capture your pet's unique paw print with our easy-to-use keepsake kit. It's the perfect way to create a lasting memory of your furry friend. This kit comes with everything you need, including soft, air-drying clay, a roller, cutter, and personalization tools. You can make up to 2 unique keepsakes. Add a special touch by customizing your keepsake with your pet's name or important dates using the included stencil kit. It's simple to make it truly yours. Our non-toxic clay is safe for your pet and dries to a soft, yet durable finish that won't crack. It's lightweight and perfect for hanging. This makes a wonderful gift for any pet owner, dog mom, or cat lover. Celebrate birthdays, holidays, or simply show your love with a heartfelt present. Enjoy a fun and simple DIY project that results in a beautiful, personalized keepsake. No mixing or baking required, just pure creative joy. What we like. This kit stands out because it allows you to create 2 separate keepsakes, which is ideal for multiple pets, or to keep one and gift the other. It also includes a bonus personalization tool with letters and numbers, so you can add your pet's name or important dates. If you want the flexibility of making multiple prints or personalizing them extensively, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit is all-inclusive and very well thought out. Great instructions also. Simple to do. I also love that the kit contains everything you need to make the ornament, letter stamps, hole to punch for the ribbon, and the ribbon, dot. Super easy to use, and there's absolutely no mess. Each box comes with 2 big clay packets, and each clay packet has enough to make 2 high-quality impressions. Number 1. Wooden Paw Print Keepsake Kit and Photo Frame. Preserve your beloved pet's paw print forever with this beautiful keepsake kit. It's the perfect way to remember your furry friend. Make it uniquely yours. Use the included stencil kit with letters, numbers, and shapes to add your pet's name and special dates. Crafted with a premium wooden frame and pet-safe, non-toxic clay. Creating the imprint is simple and mess-free, with air drying for a lasting result. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need: a wooden frame, pet-safe clay, roller, stencil kit, and tape for your photos. Surprise the pet lover in your life with this thoughtful and customizable gift. It's ideal for celebrating a cherished companion or creating a touching memorial. Create a timeless keepsake that honors your best friend. Display their paw print alongside your favorite photo in this elegant wooden frame. What we like. This option provides a premium wooden picture frame and a bonus stencil kit for personalization, making it a thoughtful and customizable gift for pet lovers. It comes in a gift box with clear instructions, simplifying the process for anyone. If you are looking for a complete, high-quality gift package that allows for easy personalization of a pet memorial or keepsake, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is easy to use and I was happy with the end result. Taking his footprint was easy. Just kneaded and rolled out the cement and pushed his paw into it. It came with letter and symbol stampers so that I could create my own design saying states. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.